Guys, we are going to start today by human transport system, and in that we have this human heart. Okay, now this human heart, we know Hem Darshini Sendil Kumar raised hand. What is the problem, Hem Darshini? Hem Darshini, what is the problem? Hem Darshini, what is the problem? You raise the hand. Okay, guys, just make a note of it. See here, this is our human heart system. Okay, so we know that the human heart is four chambered. Okay, four chambered heart. Okay, and in this there is two atrium. Okay, that is left atrium. Okay, I'll show you where it is. Left ventricle, and then right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, so these are the four parts of the chamber. Okay, if you see the uh, mark with the right atrium where I'm moving the cursor now, there's a right atrium and there's a right ventricle, and then if you go back over there, there's a left atrium and left ventricle. It is exactly equal to the size of your closed fist. Okay, band mutti. Okay, the closed fist. Okay, if you close your hand, okay, and make a boxing like thing.
भैया
Okay, yes,
भैया और एक बार रिवाइज करा दो ना और एक बार स्टार्टिंग करा दो
yes.
ह्यूमन
This is a human
प्लीज
transport
थैंक
system. Okay, we have our human heart is four chambered. Okay, फोर चैम्बर में कौन कौन सा चैम्बर देखो, 1 2 3 and 4. So right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. It is the size is equal to your closed fist. Okay, if you are not able to see, I'll open my video. You can see now. Okay, wait. See, it is this size. This is a closed fist. Okay, this is something called as closed fist. Okay, this is the open, this is closed. Okay, so it is the size is equal to the closed fist. Okay, now coming back to uh, other thing. Okay, we have this something called as valves are there. This valve, the V shape valves. Okay, now I'll explain what is the function of the valves. Okay, coming back down, what is the function of the valves? So valves are there. I'll show you the video also, don't worry. Valves are there to prevent the backflow of the blood, to prevent the backflow of the blood. Okay, so the blood should go unilaterally, it should not go back. Okay, to prevent this backflow of blood only, we have this valves. Okay, so valves prevents the backflow. If you see the diagram, I'll show you with my cursor. Okay, the moment the blood is going, the arrow is unilateral. It should not go back. Okay, so if from atrium it has come to the ventricle, again it should not go back from ventricle to atrium. To prevent that only we have this V shape valve. Okay, V-shaped valve in the pulmonary artery, in the pulmonary vein also we have this valve. Okay, so I'll say you what are the valves present. Okay, it's exactly like if you see in the pipe na, in the piping system, in the piping system we have the round valve. Okay, in the piping system we have the round valve. Okay, a round valve which does the same thing. Okay, it prevents the backflow of the water in the pipe, whereas in the heart it prevents the backflow of the blood. Now there are certain names of the valve. Okay, and where it is located. See here, one is tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. Tri means three. Okay, three cup shape. These valves are cup shape. Okay, this tricuspid valve, okay, and then we have this r- bicuspid, bicuspid, okay, two cusp, and bicuspid is also called as mitral valve. Okay, now where it is present? This is present in the right between, or you can say in between, in between right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, right atrium and right ventricle. Remember T, right tri. Okay, right tri. Remember this. Okay, this is a shortcut to remember. So I'll show you where it is. Now this V shape, which is present over here, is your tricuspid. See that marking which I'm showing. This is the tricuspid. Okay. Now coming back to the other valve, bicuspid, which is present. If this tricuspid is present in the right, bicuspid is present in between left atrium, left atrium and left ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Okay, so see here again. I'll show you the diagram where it is present. If you see in the diagram, this right atrium to right ventricle, this is the valve. From left atrium to left ventricle, this is something called as bicuspid. So लेफ्ट में प्रेजेंट जो है वो बाइकस्पिड, राइट में जो प्रेजेंट है that is a tricuspid. Okay, now coming back to one more valve is there. Okay, we'll see that one more valve is there. Okay, that is called as semi-lunar. Semi-lunar. Lunar means moon, moon. Semi-lunar. Okay, lunar का मतलब क्या होता है? Moon, crescent shape. Okay, crescent or moon like shape. Okay, so this semi-lunar valve, where it is present in the, if you see, from the blood will go from right atrium to right ventricle, and from right ventricle to this round purple color marking from the right
भैया थोड़ा ऊपर
ventricle.
कीजिए स्क्रीन, थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दिए
हाँ
स्क्रीन.
हाँ, I'll show. Okay, from right ventricle to this purple color marking, you see there is a valve that is चांद का shape, moon shape valve. That valve is nothing but your semi half moon crescent shape. So semilunar valve is present in the pulmonary artery, in the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein and pulmonary vein. Okay, so these are the valves which we have discussed. Okay, and we know what is the function of the valves. It is to prevent the backflow of the blood. Okay, so I'll show you once the blood is again. See here, when the blood is coming from right atrium to right ventricle, it should not go back. For that, we have the tricuspid valve, and from right ventricle it goes to pulmonary artery. Again, it should not go back. Then we have this semilunar valve. Similarly, left atrium से blood आया left ventricle. This valve which is present is the bicuspid valve. Again, from left ventricle it will go to pulmonary vein. It should not go back again. That is called as semilunar valve. Okay. So till now we have seen the structure of the heart, which is a four-chambered, and it is equal to the size of the closed fist. Okay, okay. Let us join all of them. Hem Kumar is joining now only. Okay, so this is the valve present, and the one we have discussed is the location. Okay, and we have seen this was the question they asked. It is exactly like a sphincter. Okay, valves are exactly like a sphincter. Sphincter does not allow the food movement backwards. Similarly, valve do not allow the blood movement backward. Okay, now coming back to how the blood flows. For that, I have made a flow chart for you. Okay. Before that, I want to share you one shortcut. Okay. it may uh, offend someone, but still the shortcut is made to learn in a better way. Okay, so I'll say you this is the shortcut. If you like the shortcut, you can clap as usual. Okay, so it is random name. Okay, you should not offend by this.
भैया
Ah,
भैया वैल्व के फंक्शन में यूनिलैटरल भी लिख सकते हैं ना भैया,
हाँ,
यूनिलैटरल मूवमेंट को
very good, Pratik Jana, very good, good.
आपने
Ah, it is there in the
आपने
what happened? What
आपने
is
स्प्रिंटर में पढ़ाया था, स्प्रिंटर में
हाँ,
पढ़ाया था इसलिए।
so you can write that. Very good. तू पढ़ रहा है इसका मतलब. Very good. It is meaning the same. It's a unilateral. It allows unilateral movement. Okay, of blood. Unilateral movement of blood. Okay, so exactly the same as we discussed now. Okay, unilateral means single movement, single side. It will not go back. Those who have highlighted this, unilateral means single. Okay, it will not go back. Okay, now take off this highlighted sign.
हेलो
Take off that highlighted sign. Okay, coming back now, please. How the blood flows. Take off this highlighted sign. Now see here. I have written some shortcut for you. Okay, don't get offended by the shortcut. It is just understand. Okay, see here. I'll make it as you can see. All of you are able to see now. Okay, there is something written as "Oh Lisa, I love your body parts." Okay, so some random name. Why I want to say is here. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. All of you now you'll turn like this. Okay, wait. Uh, all of you, just mute your audio. Mute your audio, guys. Now listen, you will surely love it. See, this is the passage of the blood flow. O stand for oxygenated. O stand for oxygenated blood. Okay. This oxygenated blood or the oxygen rich blood. Okay. This oxygenated or oxygen rich blood. Okay. See here. Lisa में से जो L है ना L and A, L and A. Okay. This represent oxygenated blood goes to the left atrium, goes to the left atrium. Okay, and then ये जो L है ना इधर पे this L and this B. Okay, I'll mark it with blue color because veins are marked with the blue color. Okay, now see here. This oxygenated blood goes to left atrium, then to left ventricle. Okay, and then it is going pumped out to the body parts. Pumped out to the body parts. To the body parts. Okay. Again, oxygenated blood or oxygen rich blood will come where? First left atrium, then left ventricle, and it will go back to the body parts. Okay. Similarly, इसका उल्टा कर देना है. The ulta of this will be deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood comes from lungs. Comes from body part. Comes from body parts. Body parts. Okay. ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कहाँ से आया था? ये लंग से आया था. कहाँ से आया था? ये लंग से आया था. ओके, लंग से आया ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. कहाँ गया? वेयर इट वेंट? लेफ्ट एट्रियम, then where it went? Left ventricle, then where it is going to the body parts. whereas deoxygenated blood which is coming from body parts. अब इसका reverse कर देना, body parts, or where there is a left atrium there will put, it comes to the right atrium, it comes to the right atrium, then to the right ventricle, then to the lungs for purification. For purification. Okay. Now again see this. Okay. Again see this hole. I am saying how the blood is, in which part of the uh, heart which blood comes. So from the lungs, the blood comes, oxygenated blood comes, which goes to left atrium and which goes to left ventricle, then pumped out to the body parts through the arteries. So arteries carries oxygenated blood or oxygen rich blood, and that deoxygenated blood comes from body parts to right atrium to right ventricle, then the lungs. It goes to the lungs. I'll show you in the heart diagram also. Okay, so see here, it is coming from the body parts to the right atrium to the right ventricle, then it will go to the pulmonary artery, it will go to the lungs for the purification. Whereas from the lungs this comes, that's why this is coming pulmonary vein. From the lungs it comes to the left atrium to the left ventricle, then it goes to the body parts. Okay, again listen again. From the body parts, okay, the blood comes to the right atrium, then to the right ventricle, then it goes to the pulmonary artery for the purification. Whereas from the lungs comes to the pulmonary vein, then to the left atrium, then to the left ventricle, then it goes to body parts, that is cells and tissue, for the usage. So I believe the shortcut will be very suitable. Oh Lisa, I love your
Yeah,
body
can
part.
you please again explain that diagram?
तुमको ये पैसे समझ में आ गया?
नहीं भैया उसी का डाउट है।
ओके, शॉर्टकट समझ में आया? ओ लीजा आई लव योर बॉडी पार्ट, शॉर्टकट समझ में आया फर्स्ट?
हाँ वो समझ में आ गया।
सो ओ मतलब क्या? ऑक्सीजन. ओके, लीजा में एल एंड ए स्टैंड्स फॉर वेयर? लेफ्ट एट्रियम. देन दिस इज द पैसेज. ओके, सो ओ के बाद क्या आएगा? लेफ्ट एट्रियम. ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड के बाद क्या आएगा? लेफ्ट एट्रियम. उसके बाद क्या जाएगा? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. उसके बाद क्या जाएगा? टू दी बॉडी पार्ट्स. ओके, सिमिलरली उल्टा करोगे तो किसके लिए होगा? डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड विल गो टू दी, from the body parts it will come to the right atrium, then to the right ventricle, and then to the body parts. I'll explain, don't worry, don't panic. I'll take that picture also where it is there. Wait. Okay, just say this. Okay, wait, I'll show you. New share. Okay, just see this now. Just say this. It is all the, okay, just say this. Need to edit it, right? Okay. Now see here, from the body parts, the blood comes to the right atrium, then to the right ventricle. So from the body parts, deoxygenated blood comes. Okay. So deoxygenated or carbon dioxide rich blood comes to the right atrium, then to the right ventricle, and through the pulmonary artery, it will go to the lungs for purification. Whereas from the lungs, from the lungs through the pulmonary vein, the oxygen rich blood will come to the left atrium. So what I want to convey is, left atrium में oxygen rich blood, right atrium में carbon dioxide rich blood will come. Okay, so oxygen rich blood will come to left atrium, then to left ventricle, and then it will go to the body parts. Is that okay? Is that clear now? Once
हाँ यस
is
भैया क्लियर।
okay. I'll come back to the again. now coming back to this, which you are able to see now. Okay, if you like this shortcut, you can appreciate by giving the uh, clap emoji signal. Okay, don't put clap and unmute yourself. Okay, just to show you see here, these are all are things we are doing for you people. So if you appreciate the work, the teacher will get enthusiasm, he will get energy to teach you. I said okay, and that much things we are doing, instead of showing you the PPT as it is, I'm explaining it in the motion so that you should understand it. So at least we RBN Study Center deserve some appreciation from your side. Okay, anyhow, if you don't want to give, no problem. Okay, this is your uh, what you call shortcut to remember how the blood flows. So we know that blood is flowing twice. We know that blood is flowing twice. Okay, and remember the oxygen rich blood and carbon dioxide rich blood will never mix. Will never mix. The oxygen rich blood and the carbon dioxide rich blood will never mix with each other. Okay, remove this dot. Who has made this? Now I have made you one flow chart. So from where it is coming? From lungs. Okay, oxygen rich blood comes from lungs. What is coming? Remove this dot. From lungs, oxygen rich blood comes. Okay, to the left, to the left atrium, to the left atrium. Whereas from देखिए अभी मैं I'm doing it, so it is exactly opposite. So yellow blue is marked for the veins or carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, from body parts, carbon dioxide rich blood, carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, that we are calling it as a deoxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood. Okay, from carbon dioxide part we are getting deoxygenated blood. Okay, so from body parts we are getting carbon dioxide rich blood, which is called as a deoxygenated. Okay, lungs is giving us the oxygenated blood. So oxygenated blood goes to the left atrium, then from left atrium it goes to the left ventricle, it goes to the left ventricle. Okay, and then from left ventricle it goes to the body parts, it goes to the
Right. Body.
body parts. From left ventricle it goes to the body parts. Okay, whereas इसी का उल्टा is opposite. Okay, here you see, from body parts carbon dioxide rich blood comes, which goes to the right atrium. Wait, I'll show you, which goes to the right atrium. Okay, then it goes to the, from right atrium it goes to the right ventricle. From right atrium it goes to the right ventricle. Okay, and from right ventricle it is going to the, here in this red is marked, this red is marked for the oxygen rich blood, this blue is marked for the carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, so oxygen rich blood goes to the body parts, whereas carbon dioxide rich blood goes to the, carbon dioxide rich blood goes to the lungs for purification, for purification.
भैया आउटडोर
हाँ
साउंड आ रहा है,
हाँ,
आउटडोर साउंड आ रहा है,
वो मेरा नहीं है छोटू, किसी
आउटडोर
और
साउंड
ने
आ रहा है.
ऑन किया होगा.
भैया कोई गाना गा रहा है.
Please, all of you, turn off. Oh, I'll mute from here. Don't worry. If they're not muting it, I'll mute.
Galaxy J.
All of you, please mute yourself. Participants, please mute. Subhadeep Jana को mute किया. Galaxy J5.
भैया
Yes.
भैया
yes.
वो मतलब इसका पूरा उल्टा हो जाएगा, मतलब
हाँ
जो
हाँ हाँ,
ऑक्सीजन जो ब्लड का प्रोसेस है उसका पूरा उल्टा।
उल्टा एकदम मस्त समझाए तू, एकदम मस्त, or understand clearly. That shows you have understand very clearly. Okay, so for understanding you need to clap now. Okay, okay, now see
भैया
here.
ये पूरी
Yes,
भैया ये पूरी एक साइकिल जैसा काम करता है। तो
yeah,
जब ब्लड सेल्स खराब हो जाते हैं तो क्या होता है?
blood cells खराब नहीं होगा छोटू, heart will not pump, heart खराब नहीं होना चाहिए, blood cell will get repaired. Okay, heart should not stop working,
ओके।
heart should not stop working. Okay, heart is a pumping organ, remember. Okay, now see here again, lungs, from lungs oxygen rich blood comes, from lungs oxygen rich blood comes to the left atrium, then it goes to the left ventricle, then it goes to the body part for the usage. Whereas from the body parts, the carbon dioxide rich blood goes, that is deoxygenated, to the right atrium, to the right ventricle, and to the lungs for the purification. Remember, always there is a valves, always you should remember there is a valves over here. Okay, so it is guided by the valves. So this kind of circulation, okay, which once Gokhale said that it is a circulation, this kind of circulation is called as double circulation. Okay, this kind of circulation is called as double circulation. Okay, now I'll show you, all of you, the video, just see that. Okay, and then we'll come back again. Okay, this kind of circulation is called as double circulation. Okay, all are ready for the video? Just put me a message so that I can understand. Ready for the video of heart? Answer in your, what is the doubt? Before seeing the video you should ask the doubt. Bhupati, what is the doubt? What's the doubt, Bhupati?
भैया आर्टरीज ब्लॉक हो गए तो क्या होगा?
Blood नहीं जाएगा. Very good. That is only called as something called as अरे ये एंजियोप्लास्टी करके हटाते ना, that is your heart block. Okay,
भैया अभी आपने ह्यूमन हार्ट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम के बाद क्या बोला?
is there anything else?
भैया
Yes,
नहीं
Pratik
भैया,
Jana.
क्लियर भैया।
Pratik Jana, yes.
कर दीजिए ना।
What is Pratik? Say.
भैया वो ह्यूमन ब्लड सर्कुलेशन के बाद थोड़ा रिपीट कर दीजिए। हाँ, नीचे नीचे।
ये
नहीं नहीं, उसके नीचे उसके नीचे।
Galaxy A70. Russ, ask your doubt.
भैया
नहीं सर भैया।
Galaxy, all of you be silent. Galaxy A70, ask your doubt.
सर जब किसी को बुखार आता है तो उसका हार्ट रेट बढ़ जाता है।
Wait, one. Don't ask one by one. Don't ask all together. Ask one by one. Hem Darshini, ask who is that Galaxy
Sir, can
A70?
you show me heart diagram, sir?
Can I
सर
show you?
अभिजीत
Heart diagram.
Okay, yes. Now is that clear? Next doubt.
Yes, sir.
Next doubt. Somebody was saying fever ka.
सर मैं बोल रहा था अभिजीत।
Student name.
सर अभिजीत।
हाँ अभिजीत बोलिए.
सर जब किसी को बुखार आता है तो उसका हार्ट रेट क्यों बढ़ जाता है?
बुखार में एक केमिकल रिलीज होता है छोटू, जो कि हार्ट रेट नहीं, पंपिंग रेट बढ़ जाता है, मतलब कि ब्लड थोड़ा जल्दी पंप होने लगता है. Okay, it needs heart that time, because the blood supply, because the body temperature is more, so it will pump the blood to the other parts of the body to decrease the body temperature. That's why heart rate is increased, and that too is not abnormal, it is normal only. Okay, who and all raise the hand? Now you can ask. Who and all raise the hand?
भैया
Once Gokhale, yes.
भैया जो लोग सिगरेट पीते हैं उनके लंग्स इफेक्ट होते हैं
लंग्स
तो उनका
अफेक्ट
ब्लड
होता है.
प्योर रहता है कि
देखो लंग्स भी अफेक्ट होता है, and that chemicals will be deposited on the walls of the artery, which causes the blockage. Okay, then it causes heart attack. Now Next question. हाँ वंश जी,
भैया
is your
भैया
doubt
हर
clear?
जगह वेन्स जो अच्छा खून ले सकते हैं।
yes भैया doubt clear.
हाँ now Prabhat, ask your doubt. Prabhat,
हर जगह पर अच्छा
Prabhat, your voice is not clear. Ask the doubt. Okay, Subhadeep, ask your doubt. I'm not able to hear you, Prabhat. You can write your doubt. Prabhat, write your doubt in the message box.
भैया
Kamal, Anna,
भैया
oxygenated blood will come from vein. No, Kamal. Oxygenated blood
भैया
will come from artery. हाँ
एक्सक्यूज भैया
हाँ
भैया
भैया,
वो ह्यूमन ब्लड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम कुछ बोल रहे थे ना वो
human blood, that is double circulation. This is only double circulation, my dear, which I have explained you now. This flow chart which I have made, the blood is moving twice. That is only called double circulation. Pratik, Subhadeep.
ठीक है भैया वो कहा नहीं था सुना
Okay,
नहीं था
is there any doubt? Then we can go for the video now. Can we go for the
गो भैया
video? Okay, just now listen to that. Okay, it will explain all the things which I have done. Okay, till now. Okay, now see here. Okay, is that you are able to see the video now? All of you, are you able to see the
Yes
video?
भैया.
Okay, shall I play it?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
भैया.
Okay.
Purpose of the heart
Yes,
is
भैया.
to move blood from blood vessels, arteries, and veins to all parts of your body. The inside of the heart is divided into 4 chambers. The top 2 chambers are called the atria and are collection chambers for blood. The bottom 2 chambers are called the ventricles. They receive the blood from the atria and pump it to the lungs and the body. The chambers are separated by valves, which control the direction of blood flow. There are 4 valves: tricuspid, pulmonic, mitral, and aortic. Circulation begins at the right side of the heart, where blood from the body comes to the right atrium. This blood passes to the right ventricle, where it is pumped to the lungs to receive oxygen. Once it receives oxygen, it flows to the left atrium and then to the left ventricle, where it is pumped to the aorta and the rest of the body. On the right side of the heart, the tricuspid valve separates the right atrium and the right ventricle, allowing blood to enter the ventricle but not flow backwards to the atrium. Blood flows through the pulmonic valve to go to the lungs. On the left side of the heart, the mitral valve separates the left atrium and the left ventricle. Blood flows from the left ventricle to the aorta through the aortic valve and to the rest of the body. Arteries carry blood with oxygen and other nutrients throughout the body.
Okay, guys, have you? Do I need to repeat the video? Is that clear?
Yes भैया.
Pratik Jana, yes.
भैया तो अरोटा का क्या काम है अरोटा का उसमें बोला
Aorta
था
is the biggest artery which carries the oxygenated blood, my dear. Thickest.
भैया अरोटा सब में है भैया.
No, no.
बॉडी
Are
पार्ट
you-
से लेके आता है क्या
अरे अरे तुम लोग समझे नहीं. Aorta जो है वो thickest. I'll show you in the diagram. Wait. Did you hear that very well? Now see this aorta. Are you able to see? See all of you. This the 3 part which are there is the aorta is the thickest artery, whereas the vena cava or vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood. Remember, okay, the thickest vein vena cava, thickest artery aorta. Okay, all of you, is that okay? Do I need to repeat the video?
भैया
हाँ
भैया तो फिर अगर पल्मोनरी आर्टरी से भी खून जाएगा और अरोटा से भी खून जाएगा
नहीं, the pulmonary artery देखो, pulmonary artery लेके जा रहा है, where it is taking the blood to the lungs, whereas pulmonary vein will take the blood to the left atrium और left atrium से फिर aorta में जाएगा. So pulmonary vein something like an artery. Okay, so only artery only vein which carries the oxygenated blood is pulmonary vein, and only artery which carries the deoxygenated blood is the pulmonary artery. Okay, डायग्राम को समझो, देखो इधर पे आ रहा है ब्लड, ओके, एंड देन इट विल पंप थ्रू द आयोटा. गेटिंग मी और नॉट प्रतीक?
हाँ भैया,
प्रतीक
समझ आ गया, समझ आ गया. पहले लंग से लेके आएगा, फिर बॉडी में जाएगा.
वेरी गुड. डू आई नीड टू रिपीट द वीडियो? आर यू क्लियर?
Yes, भैया. No need to repeat.
ओके.
अबे क्लियर भी है, क्लियर.
अब बहुत मस्त से क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं रे?
मस्त क्लियर
हाँ
हो
भैया क्लियर है
क्लियर हो
भैया.
गया भैया.
Clear हो गया.
Clear means you did not understand anything or it's superbly clear.
मेरा हार्ट ही पूरा क्लियर हो गया भैया इसको.
Okay. So again, somebody has added now. So again, we'll play the video. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. So just to see it, there is no harm in seeing the video again. Just see it again. Okay, and remember the diagram.
Blood vessels, arteries, and veins in all parts of your body. The inside of the heart is divided into 4 chambers. The top 2 chambers are called the atria and are collection chambers for blood. The bottom 2 chambers are called the ventricles and receive the blood from the atria and pump it to the lungs and the body. The chambers are separated by valves, which control the direction of blood flow. There are 4 valves: tricuspid, pulmonic, mitral, and aortic. Circulation begins at the right side of the heart, where blood from the body comes to the right atrium. This blood passes to the right ventricle, where it is pumped to the lungs to receive oxygen. Once it receives oxygen, it flows to the left atrium and then to the left ventricle, where it is pumped to the aorta and the rest of the body. On the right side of the heart, the tricuspid valve separates the right atrium and the right ventricle, allowing blood to enter the ventricle but not flow backwards to the atrium. Blood flows through the pulmonic valve to go to the lungs. On the left side of the heart, the mitral valve separates the left atrium and the left ventricle. Blood flows from the left ventricle to the aorta through the aortic valve and to the rest of the body.
Okay, guys. What is the doubt?
भैया
Yes.
लेफ्ट आर्टरियम के बाद लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल,
Yes.
फिर वेंट्रिकल के बाद आरोटा आएगा, फिर बॉडी पार्ट आएगा भैया.
yes. वही तो मीनिंग सेम ही है ना छोटू. आप लिख दीजिए, जो मैंने इधर पे चार्ट बनाया आप देखिए. That's much more than enough. Okay. Aorta, left ventricle, aorta, then body parts. No problem. Correct. No problem. Okay. But itna aorta and all itself, you are knowing it for more deep. Is that okay? This, if you write this tabular column, that's much more than enough. If they ask you what is the double circulation, you need to write this tabular column. Okay. And you can see that there is a double circulation. Okay. Now, what is the use of the double circulation? Now, the next is, why do we need double circulation? First of all, as mammal, they have excessive energy demand. Okay. So they have excessive energy demand. So this massive excessive energy demand by the mammal will be supplied by the double circulation. Okay. Second thing, it does not allow the mixing of the blood. Does not allow the mixing of oxygen rich and carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay. So that's why in the flow diagram, I showed you separately. Okay, there is no mixing. There is no mixing over here. Okay. So if you want to write, you can put a shape for that. There is no mixing. Okay. Yes, we'll put this shape. So there is no mixing. Okay. So mixing does not occur. So mixing does not occur between the oxygen and carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay. And the third is it maintains, because mammals are warm blooded, so maintains the constant maintains the constant body temperature. Okay, so once again we have seen the pumping action of the heart, then we have seen the double circulation, and now we should know why there is a double circulation. Because the mammals, which are four chambered heart, they need excessive energy, okay, than the lower organism. To meet that excessive energy, we need double circulation. Then second point is they do not allow the mixing. So this ganda khoon and acha khoon should not mix. The bad blood and the good blood should not mix. Is that okay? Okay.
भैया जो
Naginder,
तो जब
Naginder sir has commented superb, sir. Okay. Yes, Pratik, ask your doubt.
भैया जब वो डॉक्टर खून लेते हैं
That venous blood they will take. They will take the venous blood.
अच्छा ब्लड
No. Venous blood is, see here, never said that venous blood does not contain the contents of the blood. There will be the contents of the blood, but that is carbon dioxide rich blood. But other things should be there. The bacteria will be there in the vein also, in the artery also. The carbohydrates will be there in the veins also, in the artery also. But that gas, carbon dioxide and the oxygen will be there, not in the artery and vein. Same. Is that okay? So artery में oxygen and veins में carbon dioxide. Getting clear or not?
तो वो नाम क्या उसका बोल दीजिए नाम
Venous blood. That वो हाथ से लेते हैं. That yeah, vein का blood को ही venous blood बोलते हैं. Okay. Okay. Now we'll get to know why we are not taking artery blood. The good question is asked by Supadeep, that why we are taking blood from veins. All of you guys, listen. He has asked a very good question. Why we take blood from veins only? Why don't we take blood from arteries? There is a reason behind that. Okay. The first, to understand the reason, we have to know the difference between arteries and veins. Okay. So first of all, we should know arteries, they carry oxygenated blood. Artery carries oxygenated blood. Whereas the veins, this tabular column is very important, guys. The veins carry deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. Okay. Then second, arteries are deeper. Arteries are deeper. Okay, in the skin. So on the surface of this body you have veins, but if you pierce down the body you will get arteries. So arteries are not superficially or not above. It is a deeper. Okay, deeply located. So that's why we are not able to take blood from the artery. Okay, second is these veins are superficially, or it is located above the skin surface. Okay, superficially located. Second is arteries do not have valves. Arteries do not have valves. Very important. So if you pierce, the blood will going to come in enormous amount. You can't control. That's why we cannot take the blood from arteries. Whereas veins, Redmi, what is your doubt? Redmi, what is your doubt? Redmi, what is your doubt? Ask it. Otherwise, I'll lower your hand.
ஆனா வெயின்ஸ்ல இருந்து பிளட் எடுத்து இன்னொருத்தவங்களுக்கு தராங்கன்னும் போது டிஆக்சினேட்டட் பிளட் வந்து தரலாமா அந்த மாதிரி
அது டிஆக்சினேட்டட் பிளட் தருவாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க பாடியில அது லங்ஸ் வேலை செஞ்சுட்டு பண்ணிடுவோம்ல.
ஓகே
அதுவும் அவங்க பண்ணும்போது டைரக்டா கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. they will take some pack. Nowadays the technology has improved so much. இப்போ if you want to give only plasma, we will give only plasma. அதுதான் கரோனா பேஷண்ட்க்கு கொடுக்கறாங்க. If you want to give only RBC, you will give only RBC. So nowadays technology has improved a lot. So blood also you can separate the contents. If you want to give plasma, you can give plasma. If you want to give RBC, you can give RBC. Okay, Redmi.
Okay, now. Okay,
So
now.
never bother about the deoxygenated because everybody has lungs, right? So lungs will purify it.
Okay, now.
Okay. Now about about veins, they are thicker. About veins, they are thicker. Okay, thicker walls, whereas arteries are thinner. Okay, veins are thicker and arteries are thinner. Getting me out. So even if you don't write the last point, no problem, but you should at least write this 3 point that arteries carries oxygenated blood, but there is one exception, guys, which I forgot to say you. The exception is pulmonary artery. Except pulmonary artery. Okay, this pulmonary artery is the only artery which carries deoxygenated blood. Similarly, veins carry oxygenated blood except except pulmonary vein. Except pulmonary vein. Okay, so this pulmonary vein carries the oxygenated blood. Okay, so as we can see in the diagram, if you want, I'll locate in the diagram. If you see in the heart diagram, this is the pulmonary artery which is carrying deoxygenated blood, and this is the pulmonary vein, the orange color, which is carrying the oxygenated blood. Okay, coming back down. Okay, this is something we all know. It is transpiration. Okay, now we are talking about. So guys, we have finished the transportation in human system.
भैया वाला क्वेश्चन भूल गए भैया, ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन, why we are taking blood from veins.
That's why I said no. I said the reason while I was explaining. First of all, it is located deeper. Okay, and second, it does not have valves. Okay.
हाँ समझ आ गया भैया.
Hemdarshini Senthil Kumar, ask your doubt. Hemdarshini Senthil Kumar, ask your doubt. Okay, she is not asking, so we'll go back to the next topic. So guys, we have finished about transportation in humans. You can
How many compounds to separate from blood, sir?
how many? I didn't get you. How many? Can you repeat the question, Haimadarshini? How many?
Compounds to separate from blood.
Plasma.
How
Components.
components to separate
Okay.
from blood.
First plasma separate பண்ணலாமா? அதுக்கு தான் கரோனா பேஷண்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்க plasma therapy. சரியா? And then we can collect the RBC. RBC collect பண்ண சொல்ல, that name is packed cell volume. Okay வா? Packed cell volume சொல்லும்போது that means they are collecting RBC and WBC separately. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. வேற ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்காமா?
No, sir.
Okay. Now coming back to the transportation in plants. So we have seen this transpiration. See here. Transpiration is the moment you put water to the roots, this water will be absorbed by the leaf, because from the leaf there is a continuous movement, or the water is converting to water vapor. That process is nothing but your transpiration. So transpiration is something when there is a excessive water is lost in form of a excess. Subhadeep Dana, pulmonary veins carry oxygen. Okay. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs. Okay. Now see here. Coming back again. So
मैंने तो कुछ बोला भी नहीं.
आपने लिखा था छोटू, सुभदीप जना का आया था ये लिखा हुआ चैट में. There is a chat. Subhadeep Jana, pulmonary vein carried deoxygenated blood in